Hi guys, this is Social Media Boss Lady, and it's another sunny day on how to look good on social media. So the tip I have for you today is brand your message. Okay, now almost everyone really would like for their message to go viral, that is, be shared and reshared far beyond its original publication. But in extreme viral cases like this, sometimes the source of the original publication is lost. So, in order for you not to lose control of your content or whatever messages that you have, always include your logo in your designed images or even any appropriate branding. This basically allows credit to be given where credit is due. Also, hashtags is another fun way or another excellent way of linking your brand to your content. Hashtags are a fun way to connect with your audience, not just only connect with them, also promote certain products or ideas that you have, or even create a community around contests or events. And so it's very easy for you to get hashtag happy. And so what you can do is create a winning hashtag for your brand or your content. And so in the comments below, I want you to put whatever winning hashtag you have for your brand or whatever hashtag you have for your content, and then we'll take it from there. All right, so this is Social Media Boss Lady again signing out. The tip for today is brand your message. Do not forget. Don't forget also put your winning hashtag in the comment below, in the comment section below, and then also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.